What is up, guys? Good morning. We are back with another video today. We're at my cousin's house. We're gonna do some things, some well, we're gonna do a lot of things today, and one of the things that we will do is probably restore one of the, well, a couple of the headlights of the Sylvia that we just bought last week. But something happened in between last video and this video. We did something unexpected. So there was this car which has been abandoned in front of a house for a couple of years already, and it's a white car. It's located somewhere in Lumut in Brunei, and we have been trying to get in touch with the owner of that car before we bought the blue Sylvia. And what happened was, after we bought the blue Sylvia, we got in touch with the owner already. So I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna reveal something to you, and something that we did over a few days ago. I think three days ago or so. Something that we didn't expect that we would be doing. So here it is. There you go. Can you see it? There you go. We bought another S15. This time is a white one. Let's go and see what the S15 is all about. Alright, here it is, guys. This is the white S15 that I was talking about, that was abandoned for a couple of years. As you can see, there are cracks on the paint already. Here, it's pretty much left abandoned and not loved. Has a white body on it. I believe it's Ura's white body. Good set of wheels there, Volks racing wheels. It's actually an auto car, but converted to a manual 5-speed. So it's gonna be a good car for drift. Anyone wants to do it. And okay, what happened here was, as you can see, there's some rust there. We're gonna have to work on something. Work on it. So what happened when we were trying to pick this car up and trying to tow this car, the tow driver said that the car is too low and that you won't be able to get it up the tow truck. So we had to improvise and we had to take out the front bumper. But in order for us to take out the front bumper, we need to take out the headlights. So we took out the headlights, took out the front bumper, and pulled the car into the tow truck. Finally, it took us like an hour or so of trying to sort this out. See, there's some rust there. We're gonna work on that. We're gonna fix everything about this car. So right now we're gonna have two project cars. One is this blue Sylvia here, and one is the white Sylvia. So it's gonna be like different types of projects. What we'll do for this Sylvia is probably a show car kind of built. So we're gonna do like a whole body kit and whatnot, and good wheels on them. But not only will it be just a show good on the road, I mean good looking, it will also be push up to 350, maybe 400 horsepower in the engine. So this car here did come with a few modifications on its own. So it came with a, I believe it's a Blitz. I don't remember what. I think it's a Blitz if I'm not mistaken. Front mounted intercooler. I don't know what we'll do. Probably use some of the parts here and move it over to that car, because parts are pretty hard to come by in Brunei. But what we'll also do is we will also order some parts online and get it into Brunei. So I'm thinking about some HKS centric build here with some other greedy parts and whatnot, but we'll see. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna restore this headlights on this blue S15 right now, and we're gonna polish it and make it look brand spanking new. That's probably one of the first thing that we want to improve on this particular S15, right? Do it somewhere here. We're gonna use the polisher here, and then we're gonna mount it back on, and then we're gonna see the end result. So this is the before. Take a good look at it, and we're gonna show you the after. Cue the time lapse. Alright, as you can see it, guys, there's a big difference between the headlights previously versus the headlights right now. So it's much more clear. It looks a bit better, although it's an old headlight, so it's better than what it was before. There's a clear difference there. Right, so it can be done. Alright, now that we are done with that, let's look at the white S15 right now. So when we bought this car, there are a couple of things that was included as part of the package here. So we have this coilovers given to us. Oh, this comes with the strut bar. The strut bar punya. Okay, so it comes with. Ni bukan strut bar kan? Oh, okay. So the battery is relocated at the back. We have this awesome looking side mirrors. It looks like the craft square mirrors. Looks awesome. So we might be moving some of the parts over from this car to the blue Sylvia. Right, so let's go to the front, to the engine bay. Right. So this is the engine bay. There's some aftermarket parts here. Might be using this greedy. I knew it was greedy front mount intercooler there. I don't know if you can see it there. I'm gonna use this greedy front mount intercooler onto the blue car. This one, the auto fan radiator as well. Move it over to the blue car, blue Sylvia. And since in the last video I mentioned that the exhaust manifold of the blue car is cracked, so we might be reusing this exhaust manifold here and then porting it over to the blue car as well. I believe this comes with an HKS turbo, although I can't really see, but if it is, then we might be porting that over to the blue car as well. So some of these parts here will be reused over to the blue car while we fix the blue car. Later on, we'll do a slow and steady restoration of this particular car. Right, so let's look inside. Don't mind the mess. We bought the car and it was in a mess, just like this. Oh god. Okay, so that's the headlights from this car that we took off when trying to load this car into the tow truck. Obviously this car, it needs some tender loving care. You can see here It's a manual shifter here, 5-speed manual, but the gauge says it's an auto car over there. So what happened was the previous owner took this Spec R Sylvia. It was an auto car and did a manual transmission change for this particular car. So this might be a very good car for us to do some practice drifting, right? So this is a long-term project, and that one is a particular, the blue one is the medium-term project. All right, I guess that's about it for today, guys. So we have a lot of things in the future, so make sure you don't forget to like, subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us in our journey to restore 2 of the Mona Lisas. The blue one, the blue Mona Lisa, and the white one, which looks really awesome actually, with that fat ass. Anyway, until the next video, see you all. Bye bye.
This is my legacy.